Nash. Matt Hughes yn ôl at Ben Nash. Amis y beliwn i'r cwrt, edrych yn Bradley ar ergyd yr arbediad gan y golwr Byrne. Cynnig da gan Callum Bradley ar arbediad gan Oliver Byrne. Curran, Fawkes, Nash, dyma Amis at Bradley. O'na chi arbediad campus gan Oliver Byrne o'r ergyd gan Callum Bradley. O symudiad hyfryd gan y tîm cartra. Ar ergyd, oedd hi'n mynd am y gornel ucha. O, arbediad o'r safon ucha. Dans Ben, efo Ben Mar. Morris. Yn ôl at Neil Dans, gynt o Crystal Palace, y croeso i'r cwrt a Danny Davies yn creu lle. Davies! Mor agos. A mi gafodd Rushton gyffyrddiad. Arbediad da felly gan y golwr o'r ergyd gan Danny Davies. Mae yna 20 munud union o'r gêm wedi chwarae. A'r capten Ben Mar, Rob Hughes. Hughes! Arbediad da, mae'n rhydd ar yr ochr bella. Rob Hughes mor agos. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd allan at Declan Poole. Mae Curran yn y canol, mae Wild yn y canol. Wild! O, na chi arbediad. Gwych gan John Rushton o'r peniad gan Mike Wild i rwystro gôl sicr i reid y pencampwyr ar y blaen. 2 funud a hanner o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Danny Davies ar gigrydd y peniad yn erbyn y postyn gan Danny Holmes. Mor agos at roed y pencampwyr ar y blaen. Mae rai chi ddeud mi oedd hwnna'n gyfle da. Rob Hughes. Bale disgyn i Dans. A Declan Poole. Poole yr ergyd oedd o mor agos Declan Poole. O mynd am y gornel ucha nath o. A doedd o ddim yn bell o gwbl. Byrne. Ar gigrydd y tu hwnt i bawb. Mae'n disgyn i George Horan. O, mi oedd hwnna yn gyfle eiraid i'r capten. Danny Holmes. Yr un sydyn at Morris yn ôl at Holmes. Holmes cael ei greisiad i fewn. Edrych am Mike Wild! Wild yn neidio fel mae Mike Wild yn ei wneud, ond yn methu chyfeirio hi ar y targed. Da ni yn y 10 munud ola. Oli Byrne ar gigrydd i geic hwnna. Mike Wild, peniad rhydd ac i gefn o'r oed Mike Wild! Ac o'r diwedd, mae John Rushton wedi giro. Mae wedi bod yn arwrol gydol y gêm. Wel, mi oedd gyn Mike Wild i gefn at y gol. Ôl beniad yn destlys i gefn y rhwyd. Morris. Danny Harrison o llac sydd at Conor Horwood. Horwood yn y gyfle fan hyn i Mar o arbediad gwych a'r cliriad oddi ar y llinell yn un arwrol gan Horan. A'r cyffyrddiad am gic gornel o'r Flint mor agos at unioni'r sgôr a ni'n ei fewn i 5 munud o amser ychwanegol.
I knew it was going to be tough tonight and it turned out that way. The first half was, it was 50-50 the first half. You know, they had chances, we had some really good chances, but it came in at 0-0. We changed it at half-time and, you know, let's not kid ourselves, John Rushton's man of the match. You know, he was absolutely magnificent. And on a really ruthless night, you know, we could have had 3, 4, 5 in the second half. But it was just a 1, and that was important that we get the clean sheets. But, you know, the way they set up the second half, bringing Johnny Hunt on, give us another 30 yards up the field with a left footer because their right back was staying in deep. So the fullbacks weren't engaging each other in the 4-diamond-2 against a 4-diamond-2. Hunty's come on second half and really we've ran all over them. Like, unless make no mistake, there's the utmost respect because it was a ferocious game, really tough and a big, strong, organised team. But if we'd come off the pitch without the 3 points at the end, you'd be really disappointed with the amount of chances we create second half.
I can only say how proud of my players I am. You know, on Saturday, for the first 20 minutes, we looked like a team that had never played together before. With the amount of changes that we brought in the January window, it was the first time the group had played together. A lot of them hadn't played for anywhere between 11 weeks and 3 or 4 months, and we'd only had 5 or 6 sessions to get them up to speed. So we knew that we'd get better the more we played together, but for them to put in a level of performance like that against, you know, the champions of the league last season in a local derby like that within such, second game playing together. I can only be immensely proud of the performance of them and the fact that they've taken on the information that I'm giving them, so quickly.